Good morning everyone. Okay, today we're going to be making microwave porridge. So if you don't like getting the saucepan out and doing it the old-fashioned way, then this is just a quick and easy solution for, if you're on the go, getting ready in the morning, getting your stuff together. This is quite an easy way of doing it. So some of you probably know this already, but I thought I'd just run this by you. So what you're going to need a microwavable bowl, milk, measuring jug, that's a 1 cup measuring jug, some water, I'll explain why in a minute, and of course your porridge. So first thing we do is open this up, and we have 1 cup of porridge. Okay, get it everywhere. So 1 cup of porridge. Then to that we add our milk. Okay, now you can just make this with water if you want to, but if you want a little bit of creaminess to it, then what I've found is if you do 1 cup of milk and what I found here is if you do about half a cup, a tad more, of water. Okay, let's give that a bit of a stir. And then what I do is put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. Okay, we'll come back to that in 2 minutes. Okay, so here we go. So if you see that is quite a lovely consistency actually, because what you'll find is that okay, it looks a little bit thin there, but that will thicken because it will soak up those oats a bit more and it will start to get thicker. So you're probably better off leaving it at that while you make yourself a cup of tea, get everything together, and that will be just right. In fact, I'll prove it. I'll come back to you in a while, I'll make some tea and come back to that and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Okay, so made the tea, given it a bit of time, and as you can see, that has thickened nicely. That is a nice porridge consistency. Of course, you can have it a bit thin if you like. What I like to do now is maybe add a little bit more milk around the outside. And then top it off with oh, my honey's gone a little bit congealed, but never mind. A little bit of honey. And there you go. Microwave porridge. Enjoy.